Namaste Vidya. I, JV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is Microsoft Access. So what is Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access is a database management system which is offered by Microsoft. It uses the Microsoft Jet database engine and come as a part of the Microsoft Office suite of application. Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access offer the functionality of a database and the programming capabilities to create easy to navigate screens. It helps you to analyze large amount of information and manage data efficiently. So what is the important terms and basic object? So the basic object is data file, data types, table, queries, and many more. So what is database file? It is a file which stores the entire database. The database file is saved to your hard drive or other storage device. Data types. What is data types? So data type are the properties of each field. Every field has one data type, like your text, like your number, like your data, like your etc. What is table? Table is an object which stores data in a row and column format to store data. Second, a table is usually related to other tables in the database file. Each column must have unique name. We can also define primary key in a table. What is a query? So basically, query answer a question by selecting and sorting and filtering data based on such criteria. Query show a selection of data based on criteria, maybe or limitation you provide. Query can pull from one or more related table and other queries. Types of query can be select, insert, update, delete. What is form? A form is a database object that you can use to create a user interface for a database application. Second, form help you to display live data from the table. It is mainly used to ease the problem of data entry or editing. The next one, what is report? So report is an object in my desktop database primarily used for formatting, calculating, printing, and summarizing selected data. You can even customize the report look and feel. What is macros? Macros are mini computer programming construct. They allow to you to set up commands and process in your forms like searching, moving to another records or running a formula. What is module? Module are the processor like function which you can write using Visual Basic for application like VBA. What is MS Access data type? MS Access common data types are listed below. So types of data, what is description and what is the size. So types of data are short text. Uh, the description of short text is text including number which doesn't need calculation like your mobile number. The size of short text is up to 255 character. Long text description, this data type is used for lengthy text or alphanumerical data, and the size of long text is maximum 63 to 999 character. What is type of data is number. The data type is number. The description for number is number data type used for a storing mathematical calculation. The size of number is 1 2 4 8 and 16 bytes. The data type is date and time, and the store date, and it is store date or time for the year 100 through the 9999, and its size is 8 bytes. The data type of the data is currency, and the description of currency, it allowed to store currency values and numeric data with 1 to 4 decimal number, and the size of the currency is 8 bytes. Clear? Now the auto number is used to assign a number or assigned by a Microsoft Access when any new record is created, usually used as a primary number, and its size is 4 bits, like 16 bits if it is set as a replication ID. The next data type is yes or no. It only store logical values yes and no. The size of value is 1 bit. The attachment data type is, it is store files such as digital photo. Multiple files can be attached per record. It may be 2 GB data can be stored. OLE object data type is used to store audio, video, and other binary large file object, and its sizes up to 2 GB data can be stored. The hyperlink data type, it is used or combination for text and number stored, and that text is used as a hyperlink address. The size of hyperlink is each part of hyperlink data type allow you to store a maximum 2048 character. The data type is calculated, and it help you to create an expression that uses data from one or more field. The size of data type is you can create an expression which uses data from one or more field. So difference between Excel and Excel. The Microsoft Access and Excel are very similar yet very different. Here are the some important difference point between both of them. So one left side is in Excel and the right side is Excel. So first difference between Access and Excel in terms of Access is deal with text number files and all kinds of data. In Excel, Microsoft Excel generally deals with numerical data. In Access, all the data is stored one time in one place, but in the Excel, lots of worksheet or documents are stored with similar repeated data. Access help you to build highly functional data entry from and report template, and in Excel, only the primary data entry screen is available. In Access, user will be able to enter the data more efficient and accurately. In Excel, data accuracy and speed is not much because of the format. So what is the advantage and disadvantage of the MS Access? Here are the benefits of for using MS Access application. First one is Access offer a fully functional relational database management system in a minute. Easy to import data from the multiple sources into Access. You can easily customize Access according to the person and company need. Access work well with many of the development languages that work on the Windows OS. Next, it is robust and flexible, and it can perform any challenging office or industrial database tasks. MS Access allow you to link to data in its existing local and use it for viewing, updating, query, and reporting. Allow you to create tables, query forms, and report and connect with the help of macros. Macros in Access is a simple programming construct with which you can use to add functionality to your database. It can perform heterogeneous join between various datasets stored across different platforms. The disadvantage of MS Access, here are the benefits, and here also are the disadvantage for using MS Access. First, Microsoft Access is useful for small to medium business sector. However, it is not used for large site organization. So there are basic and lots of advantage and disadvantage for using Microsoft Access. So in this terms, lack robustness compared to DBMS system like MS SQL Server or Oracle. All the information from your database is saved into your one file. This can slow down report queries and form. Technical limit is 255 doc concurrent user. However, the real world limit is only 10 to 80. It's depending on the types of application which you are using. It requires a lot of more learning and training compared with other Microsoft program. So I hope आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा कि what is MS Access and what is the advantage and disadvantage of MS Access. If you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 JOT Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.